them is plural suffix, lar. Do you remember previous lesson I told you vowel harmony is so important? Why? Because our suffixes has many shapes according to vowels or consonants. So lar suffix has two shapes. It has lar or lar. Lar, after lar, like come from back. So we use with the letters come from back of your throat. So o, u, these letters come from throat, so we use lar with them. And here there's ler, e, i, ö, ü. These are high letters and come from inside of your mouth or in front of your mouth part. Okay, so we use ler. A, I, O, U, lar. E, I, Ö, Ü, ler. And you need to feel it, okay? Instead of memorizing, just feel it. Bakalım, let's check. Kitap. Şimdi, can we say which one is better? Kitaplar or kitapler? Kitaplar, kitapler. Kitaplar is better, right? Why? Because in Turkish we try to use the easiest way. So if your mouth or your tongue or your throat stay in a shape, why you change it? Okay, if you say ü, just continue with e or ü, or your throat like said just say or like that. Okay, or let's say you say e, so let's continue with e or e, because e is so close. So here we just need to continue which letter is better. Kitaplar, kitaplar. Kız, kızlar. I-a, I-a, I-a, kızlar. Instead of kızlar, kızlar, better to say kızlar, kızlar. A. Kutu. Kutu is box. By the way, kız is girl or daughter. And kitap is book, you know. Kutular. Here. Kutular. U-a. Kutular. Televizyon. O. Televizyonlar. Televizyonlar. Pencere. Pencere. What do you think? Like pencereler better or pencereler better? Pencereler is better, right? Pencereler. Pencereler. Same. Kedi. But previous letters, it doesn't matter. Always need to check the last letter. For example, your television. I, O. Always need to check this O. Always we check the last vowel to use these suffixes. Okay? Last vowel. Televizyon. Kedi. Kedi. I. So kediler. Köy. Just one letter. E. Köyler. Instead of köyler, we say köyler. Üzüm. Ü. Last vowel is ü. Üzümler. Ü. E. Şimdi, for example, with çay. With çay, which one is better? Çaylar or ler? Çaylar. Çaylar. Çaylar, right? Çaylar. Çaylar. Or kalem. Kalem. Last vowel is e. Kalem. So we use kalemler. Kalemler. Kalemler. We don't say kalemlar. Okay? It's kalemler. It's pencils. With bu, şu, o. Bu, şu, o. we use that way to make them plural. Also, there's something in Turkish. If we use like these, those, some, a few, or numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, any of them, we don't make the noun plural. Can you see? It's not these are dogs. It's these dog. Okay? It's not 3 books. It is 3 book. Because here, like already we can see it is plural. There's 3. 3 is, it cannot be singular, right? So there's no need to put that plural suffix again. Şunlar köpek, onlar köpek. These are dogs, those are dogs, and the other those, it's really far. Those are dogs. Yakın, we say close, we use bunlar. Uzak, far, şunlar, and çok uzak, very far, we use onlar, bu, şu, o, bunlar, şunlar, onlar, bu, şu, o, bunlar, şunlar, onlar. Here, as I said, bunlar ne? This dear for formal using. Bunlar ne? It didn't say bunlar neler, okay? It just say bunlar ne? Bunlar bardak. Also this third for formal, we don't use that much. Bunlar, we didn't say here bunlar bardaklar, okay? We didn't say bunlar bardaklar. We say bunlar bardak. These, bunlar, these glass, not glasses. Bardaklar, or we can say bardaklar. If you want to say plural form, the noun, don't put just anything before it. Don't put any number, don't put any like some, those, this kind of things. Anything that make it plural. And for person also is like that. Bunlar kim? This, who? Also this dear, same, it's formal way. This, who? Who are these? Bunlar öğrenci. Singular. It didn't say öğrenciler. Öğrenci. Student. Not students. This student. Because this is already make it plural. Or öğrenciler, we can use this plural suffix here, but we didn't say something before it, like these, those, 1, 2, 3, any of them. Okay, just students. Bunlar kim? Students. Like here, it say already 3 çocuk, don't say 3 çocuklar. 2 kalem, 2 pencil, we don't say 2 kalemler. 5 bardak, 5 glass. Not glasses, because it's 5, it's already plural. Az, elder bit. Az kişi, elder person. Az kişi. Çok insan, very person, not people. Very person. It's weird, actually. Birkaç öğrenci, some, a few, student, not students, not öğrenciler. There is no, can you see, there is no plural suffix end of these words. Also, there's something, sometimes loan words come from another languages. We don't follow the rule because we don't read it like normal Turkish. For example, here, saat. We don't say saat. In Turkish, you need to say saat, right? But we don't say, we say saat. Saat. Saat. Saatler. Saatler. We don't say saatlar. Saatler. It's so soft, like okay, like actually. So here we use ler. Also here, second, we don't say hayal. We say hayal. Hayal. Hayal. So it's hayaller. Hayaller. Harf. This r, f, make it softer. rf, like that. Because in Turkish we don't use that r sound like that. We say harf, harf. Instead of harflar, we say harfler. Harfler means letters. Also seyahat, seyahat instead of sayahat, seyahat. Seyahatler, seyahatler. Rol, rol, rol, not roll. Roller, roller. Alkol, alkol, alkoller. Gol, gol, goller. Meşgul, meşgul, meşguller. Petrol, petrol, petroller. Kalp, kalp, kalpler. İdeal, ideal, idealler. Can you see most of them include L sound? Actually, we have in with A, I, O, U back letters, we use L sound like la, lo, lu, like that. With other vowels like A, I, Ö, Ü, we use L sound like le, li, lo, lu. Okay, la, lu, lo, lu, le, li, lo, lu, like that. L and L. But some words, as I say, that we took another language, we use L sound instead of L sound. Okay, that's why we make plural with words with ler instead of lar.